across the state. Hartford HealthCare is rolling out a new tool in the fight against COVID-19, Pfizer's antiviral pill. The healthcare system received its first shipment of the drug this week, which can be taken at home as a treatment by people at risk of severe disease. Fox 61's Angelo Bavaro has more details about plans for distribution.
As COVID cases and hospitalizations rise across Connecticut, Hartford HealthCare has a new tool to help respond. It's called Paxlovid.
It will keep, hopefully, people out of the hospital and keep them from dying. That is its main goal.
It's an alternative, if you will, to our monoclonal antibodies that are effective against the strain of COVID that we have at the time.
The FDA authorized the oral drug for people ages 12 and older with a positive COVID test and early symptoms who face a high risk of hospitalization. But health officials stressing that Paxlovid is not a replacement for the vaccine.
This is after the fact. It does not prevent you from getting COVID. It does not prevent you from spreading COVID.
Paxlovid is only available by prescription, and it's got to be started as soon as possible after a positive test, within 5 days of the start of symptoms.
Through your primary referrals, through the primary care referrals to our COVID triage clinic, they will determine whether or not people are eligible for these for this medication.
Hartford HealthCare has developed a criteria for prescription, but say it is fairly restrictive.
Those with severe immunocompromising comorbidities, as well as age. Age is actually going to factor in as well. So it's going to include age, things like congestive heart failure of a certain class, on immunosuppressants of a certain class, active chemotherapy, pregnancy.
Part of the reason for that restrictive criteria, a limited supply to start.
And so the hopes that anybody could get this prescription from, their doctor at any outpatient pharmacy, that's actually not all up to us, but it is not likely to happen for a period of time until we can get more supply.
Angelo Bavaro, Fox